Good evening, guys. Welcome back to ISO 3D Services, guys. Yeah, it's just a quick update, guys. I just want each and every one of you to go to the Zwagao store website and go support them, please, guys. We really appreciate each and every one of you who's already subscribing to our YouTube channel, and most definitely we will really appreciate it if you can go to the Zwagao store website and just purchase your products from there and have it shipped to your house straight away, guys. But one thing, guys, you must order for 2,500 or more, guys. For free shipping, 2,500 or more you must buy for free shipping, guys. And yeah, guys, Zwagao store is one of the cheapest when it comes to the products they're selling on their website. As far as that kind of products, they are the cheapest, guys. And I just want each and every one of you to go to the website and check for yourself what products you can purchase from the Zwagao store website. The link will be in the comments and in my description. The first comment down below, the link will be, and in the comment section in the description, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, guys, order for 2,500 and more and get free delivery, guys. Shop now while you can, guys. The products on the Zwagao store website is very cheap, guys. So bear that in mind, guys. The products is there very cheap. We talk about fire control groups. We're having about there for under 3K. We're having there like lowest like for under 3K, guys. So please go check them out, guys. If you're interested in fire control group and lowest, please go check out the Zwagao store website. They are there as far as when it comes to the cheapest in the industry that the Zwagao store is, guys. So please keep that in mind, guys. The Zwagao store website is one of the cheapest stores when it comes to that specific products, guys. So yeah, guys, I just want each and every one, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below, guys, and I really appreciate it. If you want to know about videos that we talk about businesses and how to make money, this is most definitely the right channel for you, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe down below, guys. Please do that, please. And yeah, guys, if you order from Zwagao store website for more than 2,500, it is free delivery, guys. So just keep that in mind, guys. And for the guys who wanna do prototype, we most definitely, the ISO 3D Services is the right channel for you. We are there to make sure you know how to make products and how to turn that products into profit. We are all about that process. So please, guys, you can just please take your time and subscribe down below. We will really appreciate each and every one of you. I mean, like, but for the guys who's interested in prototyping, just comment your name and your phone number below in the comment section and we reach out to you. We will give you a call as soon as possible when it comes to prototyping, because we really want you guys to use our services to do prototypes, guys. That is what ISO 3D Services is all about, guys. So please, guys, bear that in mind. We are here to help you make products and sell that products off for profit. We are most definitely the right channel for you, guys. So just bear in mind, just tell us what you want, what you need, what product you need, what product you want, and we will set everything up to you. You can check out our partner program videos. It's all about how to make the money. And yeah, guys, if you're interested in prototyping, comment your name and your phone number below and we will give you a call as soon as possible, guys. But for the guys who's interested in buying there for the first time there by the Zwagao store website, guys, grab your products now there by the Zwagao store website while you can, guys. It's very cheap, guys. We talk about fire control groups, we talk about different lowers, we talk about AR-15 lowers, Glock lowers. We have all sorts of lowers, guys. So please, guys, subscribe and stay tuned for that, guys. Link in the description and in my comment section, guys. Peace. See you on the next one, guys. Stay tuned.